No.
Hey YouTube, this is the Guest 1994 and we're about to make a video. I am gonna go ahead and point the camera at my brother and let him tell you what the video is about.
Well, I'm going to scare my little cousin, as always, so, yep.
Alright, he's gonna go in the room and aim the camera at him, but he's playing a video game. We gotta make sure he don't see us. Alright? He has a camera now. Put the camera up. Whenever you go in the room over there, put the camera down by your side where he don't see you filming. Go behind him where he can't see you filming. Scare the shit out of him. Oh, by the way, let me get what I need.
We about to scare him. He's about to get a bullhorn. He's about to get a bullhorn.
By the way, YouTube, this right here is an air horn, and I'm gonna scare my cousin with. All right, go in the room and hide the camera right when you go in there.
I'm in first place. That's cool.
Oh, freak!
I hate y'all.
That is awesome, man. That is like the best freaking epic scare you can get. Oh, man, that was awesome. Austin, dude.
I don't like y'all. Y'all like
What'd you think about that, bruh? What'd you think about that?
Scared the crap out of me.
Alright, man. That's it, YouTube. Later.